Hello, I'm in a 2011 Ford Explorer, and today I'm going to show you to turn on and off your defrost controls. So for the front here, this activates your front defrost as well as this. So this would also blow on your feet, whereas this just blows along the windshield here. And then you typically would want it set to the hot since you're trying to melt things. And even if this is on hot, you might still want the AC activated just because that AC can pull moisture out of the air, so your glass won't fog up as bad. And a way to turn that off is either you could turn the fan down or all the way off, or you can just switch to a different setting like here. So now it's just going to blow towards the driver versus on the windshield. And then yeah, you could just turn the whole fan off completely when you're done with that. And then to activate the rear, you'll just select this, and now you know that the rear defrost is activated. And a way to tell that apart from the front, if you can see in the camera, maybe you can't, but there's some black lines that run through the glass. Those are heating mechanism. So when it's activated, those heating mechanisms will start melting any ice that might be building up. And when you're finished with the rear, just push this button again, and when that's no longer lit up, you know it's turned off. And if you're having issues with these turning on or off at all, first I would probably check fuses, make sure you don't have a burnt fuse or something like that. And then if that's not working, I mean, you could check codes, all sorts of different diagnostics, but these should typically just light up just by clicking them. And then your fan to control. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.